Hello, my friends. Are you ready for a new Fold It? Well, guess what? We are releasing this adorable elephant and so much more. So stay tuned. Now, just a heads up, 7-Up. If you are a club member, you are getting 15% off everything I show you today. Also, the first 24 hours these items are on our website, they're on flash sale. So make sure you belong to our newsletter to get an email or a text to get the info as soon as they go on our website to save even more. Now, just a heads up, if you are not in the club, you need to join ASAP because you would get 15% off the second you join one of our clubs. And the club start is only $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each and every month sent to you. Who doesn't want stamp mail sent to them each month, right? So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just check it out because you know what? I bet you're going to find something there you want. And then you get a 15% discount off the things I'm going to show you right now. Let's look at them. First, we have this awesome, fun elephant. He is walking and he is talking and he is going. He has a fun little banner flag. He has a cute little baseball cap. He has a mini version if you want, and he is oh so cute. Now, along the lines of our cute little elephant, I also released, and let me show you this one, the card front, I miss you tons. Because how appropriate is it that an elephant would say, I miss you tons? Get it? Get the pun? Get the pun? Because elephants weigh a ton. I know, isn't it awesome? I know. Now, this card front is really fun. And if you have not gotten into our card fronts, you need to try one because they will change your card making. Because look at this. I miss you tons. That's what it looks like. And if you were to use it on a regular card base, this is what it would look like. And this designer, who is this? The Cheryl used the negative. So she ran this through her die cut machine and she used what normal people would call the trash. She used the negative piece, not the letters. She used the negative piece because on our card fronts, I have made it so the inside of the O's stay in the trash, right? So there you go. I miss you tons. Boom. No gluing, just one big piece to put down on your card. I know. Now, A2, perfect, right? But, dun, 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 you can also do it on a 5x7 because you don't have to use the outside die to make it cut all the way. Look at that. I miss you tons on a decollage 5x7, by the way, with some fun, gorgeous flowers on the side. Let's do lunch. I love it. Also, one other item we're releasing. We are debuting today, as a matter of fact, a new shape. A new shape. This is called Graceful. Now, I hope you like this shape as much as I do because you're going to see a little bit more of it in the future. But look at how beautiful and elegant and stunning it is. The cool thing about this shape, and let me show you a sample of it. The cool thing about this shape is it could be vertical or horizontal. We've added these optional hearts. We've added these fun little swirls as options also, but it's a layering piece or 2 layering dies. And I have lots of samples to share. Let's look at those first because I really want you to see how fun they are. Look at that one, using it with the cookies. I love it. That's the cookies to stamp. But what did I say? Horizontal or vertical. Oh! Double duty, am I right? So you can do it horizontal or vertical and look at how gorgeous that is. Now, do you have to use the hearts? Of course not. You don't have to use the hearts, or you could use them just at the top. Just at the top. So now you get to add, you get to decorate anything on here you want. This one is awesome. This one says, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still loved, still missed, and very dear. You can find that stamp set on our website. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Happy birthday on a mini slim line. So this fits obviously perfectly on a mini slim line. Love it. I absolutely love it. Or on a 5x7. So again, versatile, very versatile. You can do this vertical or horizontal on mini slim line, on A2, or on 5x7. Lots of options. Always giving you those options so you can do multiple things with it. Now, if you're thinking, I love this, Stephanie, but I'm going to forget that I could use it that way, or I'm going to forget I can use it that way. All of these ideas are on our online gallery. So if you can't find them in our gallery, I want you to go to this item on my website. Go to this item. There's a button that says View Product Gallery. Click on that, and all of the ideas using this product are going to pop up. You can print those ideas. You can print them really small and put them on an idea card yourself. You can like them. You can share them. You can see them up close and personal. So you'll have those ideas. Now, let's look at our cute little elephant. Our elephant. Now, he is the perfect size for an A2 size card. Here he is. Oh, look at this. Ready? 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 Gatefold. I miss you tons. Okay. Does that knock your socks off? Right? Right? I miss you tons on the inside. That's just our gatefold card with our card front right there. I love it. Or you can do it separate and just make him a card if you want to. Celebrate, it's your special day. And he's like going to a baseball game. I love it. Or on a 5x7. So here he is on an A2 size gatefold. Here he is on a 5x7 decal card. Look at that. Happy birthday with some sunglasses on or glasses on. Here he is as a shaped card if you want to. Look how cute that shaped card is. Love it. Oh, look how cute he is here with his little buddy. Also from the parade animals. Look how cute that is. I love it. Here's one. Oh, this one's going to the beach. He is at the beach. He's got the sun. He's got the surfboard. He is ready to go. Or perfect on a banner. You know I love my banners. You know I love my banners. Then, oh, look at this one. We missed these couple. Oh, I miss you tons. So simple, so easy. Or in pink, look at that. Or look at this. So what did Chris do? What did Chris do to get these? She added blending, ink blending to a piece of cardstock. She had adhesive on the back. She die cut it with this card front. She used the negative on this card. She used the positive, also meaning the letters on this card. 2 cards for the price of 1. Look at that. Boom. No waste at all because the negative is being used and the positive is being used. Amazing, right? Okay, then what we have, look at this, on another 5x7. Absolutely love it. I miss you tons, and our cute little elephant peep on there, because don't forget our little peeps. They're so adorable. So club members, you know the rules. You're getting that discount, 15 to 20% off our entire website, even flash sale prices. If you're not in the club, I told you how to join. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club, watch the video because it's going to take you a couple minutes to figure out which club you want to join because they're all amazingly awesome. The Stamp Club, the Die Hard Club, which is our most popular, the Card Kit Club, which is a big old box sent to you, or the Fold It Club, our newest club and our fastest growing club. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.